Howdy folks, Jeff here with today's tech tip. Just want to show you here, if you have your key fob and you're going to get in your car and you press the button and you hear an obnoxious noise like that, you're trying to get in and your door may or may not unlock. Nowadays the lock mechanism is built into the latch on a lot of these vehicles. So let me show you what we're talking about. This right here is the latch assembly. So when you close your door, this is the part that grabs on the door when it closes. So what you have here is you have a bunch of connections. So these will go to the door handles, and then you have an electronic that plugs into here that tells it when to lock and when to unlock, and it basically moves this lever, which is what unlocks the door so that you can get in with the handle on the outside. Now to replace that, as you can see, we have to remove all of the door panel assembly here, and then we take this loose, and now I'll reach in and pull this out, and we'll unhook all these wires. We'll install the new one, put the cover and everything back on, and get this back up on the road. So anytime you hear the noise, there's always a reason for that. Go ahead and take it by your certified shop and let your certified technicians take a look. As always, I appreciate you watching.